Hello everyone. So this is Tulika. I'm a nutritionist and a lifestyle coach, and today I'm going to tell you a very important and very commonly discussed topic, you can say, which is weight loss. And weight loss के लिए people are doing diets, people are doing exercises and the lifestyle changes. Still they are not able to still they are not able to get the desired weight. So there is a drink, one magical drink, you can say. It is really magical, it is effective, because I have tried that on my clients and on myself as well. So it works very effectively. So what is the hidden thing behind it? I will tell you in the end of this video. This is all about Jeera drink, which is a Jeera magical drink, you can say, and it is quite effective. Like you can see that there is fat loss happening, there is belly fat reduction which is going to happen. And what is the right time to take this drink and how you can make it, you will see everything in this video. So stay tuned. Okay, so now we have seen the recipe how to make this Jeera drink. This is quite easy, and आप इसको जीरा को what you can do, you can just soak it overnight in the water, and सुबह आप उस पानी को boil कर सकते हो. जैसे मैंने 2 cups water लिए, तो आप 2 कप पानी में आप रात को भी जीरा को सोक कर सकते हैं, and जीरा and सौंफ दोनों को. Now जीरा को आपने सोक किया, मॉर्निंग में you have to just boil it. एंड जब वो हाफ बॉयल हो जाए तो आप उसको स्ट्रेन करो, एंड इट्स अप टू यू, यू वांट टू च्यू ऑन दो सीड्स और नॉट. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू च्यू ऑन दो सीड्स, यू कैन जस्ट डिस्कार्ड इट. एंड वो पानी आपको पीना है विथ 1 teaspoon ऑफ हनी. नाउ आई विल टेल यू what is the advantage of jeera and honey in weight loss, which has some component, some enzymes which helps in the digestion. तो हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं ना, प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, जो भी चीज़ें हमारे खाने में होती हैं, उसको प्रॉपरली डाइजेस्ट करने में जीरा हेल्प करता है. बिकॉज जीरा हैज़ सम नेचुरल एंजाइम्स जो हमारे पेट में जाकर रिलीज़ हो जाता है, एंड वो हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. नाउ व्हेन डाइजेशन इज़ हैपनिंग, व्हाट विल हैपन, मेटाबॉलिज्म आपका इम्प्रूव होगा, हाई हो जाएगा. ओके, सो यू कैन सी इट इज़ अ मेटाबॉलिक बूस्टर एज वेल. तो अगर आपने इसको अच्छे से लिया, डेली बेसिस पे लिया, रेगुलरिटी के साथ लिया, देन आई कैन tell you that this is going to cut down your belly fat, and this is effective on me. I have tried it. So and honey, now what honey does, honey जो आपके हार्मोन्स होते हैं, जो आपके एपेटाइट को कर्ब करते हैं, उनको एक्टिवेट करने में हेल्प करते हैं. So when you take this water, what is the right time to take it? So I will suggest you to take it on the empty stomach. When you wake up, take this as empty stomach. This is going to benefit you a lot, and regularity के साथ कीजिए. Do not break it कि ऐसे 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन किए and then I'm not seeing the results. So results will take time. So do it and let me know if it works for you. I will suggest you to shift your unhealthy food habits to a healthy one. Healthy one मतलब आप कुछ vegetables, raw fruits, vegetables को भी add कीजिए अपने diet में. Nuts is very important. Nuts give you good amount of fats. So along with this drink, if you take some healthy amount of antioxidant, fibers, insoluble fibers, so this is definitely going to affect on your weight loss. So stay tuned for next videos.